Yeah, we're gonna give 2 tickets away to the Family Office Super Summit in Miami later this year. Tickets are valued at $2,500, and of course, we're gonna give away a free copy of the capital raising book. So with that, why don't you guys please put in the chat or Q&A, I'm not even sure which one, what city are you joining us from? And more importantly, I'm very curious about this. I would like to know, what percentage do you guys think your success has to do with mindset? Because this is something that Tyler is very passionate about. He's going to be talking about mindset and capital raising. I don't know how far down the spiritual lane he wants to go, or if he just wants to keep it simple. I would recommend just the basics, Tony Robbins. And, we won't get into enlightenment or anything like that. I don't think too much, but mindset is a really huge part of it. So I'm going to turn it over to my man, the myth, the legend, Tyler Chesser, so he can drop some bombs a little bit about mindset. And, if you guys are scaling syndicators, scaling capital raisers, we're going to give him full autonomy to talk about whatever he wants to in regards to what he's learned along the way and what he thinks might be some powerful information for you guys as we scale as syndicators in this space. And of course, we're not exclusive to real estate. Some of the people here are going to be like venture capitalists and other people doing IPOs and other kind of capital raises. But for the most part, I think everybody that's raising capital is in the same boat. We all have to educate and nurture, and we have to have a very powerful mind as we process and deal with our limiting beliefs. So with that, Tyler, my man, welcome,
Ruben,
dude.
I'm like, so I showed up here. You're playing the music. I'm like about to jump around. Like I'm so excited, and I really want to thank you for allowing me to share some of my thoughts on this amazing topic. To your point, this is a spiritual endeavor. I mean, people may roll their eyes. They may think, oh my God, this is ridiculous. But capital raising is a spiritual endeavor. And so we're going to talk about that. But Ruben, real quick, remind me, how long do I have so that I can make sure I pay attention to the time?
You have about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to recap what you do, just like we're going to recap everybody, just like with a sentence real quick, open it up for Q&A, but 15 minutes, more or less. You have a little bit of flexibility and autonomy there. But if you start going a little long, we'll jump in. But man, it's your show. We can't wait to hear what you have to say, because your show is so amazing, and everything that you talk about in regards to syndication, raising capital, mindset is so powerful. So I'm really excited to hear what you have to say today.
Awesome, bro. Well, thank you so much. I'm going to maximize everybody's time right now. So let's dive right in. And I'll introduce myself just briefly. Ruben, you did a great job of introducing me. I created a podcast called Elevate, which is all about mindset, mind expansion, and personal development for high-performing real estate investors. And I believe that your success in real estate is a lagging indicator of how you invest in yourself, how you condition your mind for success. So we're going to talk a lot about that. I'm also the co-founder and managing partner of CF Capital. We are a multifamily investment company where we invest in large multifamily real estate across the Midwest and Southeast. And I'm also a husband and a twin dad. And so I'm always busy, but we just finished a $19.5 million capital raise in this current market. So I'm telling you what I'm about to share with you is exactly what I applied and what our team has applied to be successful today. And over the years, we've continued to compound on this. So what I'd like to share with you, and this is, I don't have a presentation, I'm not presenting slides or anything like that, but I want to invite every single person who's showed up today to invest in themselves to jot down some notes, because what I think what I'm going to share with you is gold, and are some, ideas for you to take things to a whole new level and beyond. And really the thought process that I'd like to start with